Hey guys, Organized Alaina, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Alaina and I do life and money organization videos. If that interests you, then make sure that you hit that subscribe button, as I would love for you to be a part of our little family. Today's video, guys, is going to be an office tour. This was a requested video, so I just decided to jump right on it and make sure that I filmed it. So first, this is the front door, or this is the door to my office. Here's my actual front door, and then when you walk in to the right is my office. So let's go ahead and look around. So when you first walk in, here is the window to my office. I absolutely love the window because I feel like I get a little natural light along with the lights that I have plugged in. And sometimes I just like to just look out the window and people watch. So it's great to have that there. Down here is my phone charger to my charger for my camera. And then next to it is my printer. This is the printer that I use to print out my own stickers and some other stickers from my shop. So I just keep it next to the second desk that I have here, which has my Cricut and also my computer right now. I move my computer back and forth between this desk and the other desk, depending on what I'm doing. So if I'm printing stickers or working on something for the shop, I am here. If I am doing something for financial coaching or working with a client, then I am at my other desk. So underneath here you have a basket, which is from Walmart. This is my photo printer along with some extra ink for my printer. Down here are my books. I wrote a book last year, and as you know, I'm a financial coach, and I wrote a book called The 6 Secrets of Money. So anytime anyone purchases a book from my shop, from my organizedalaina.com, or I am out speaking, I usually have a table set up and I have some books out there with me. I am sorry guys, my phone just keeps going off. I'm gonna have to turn it off. Okay, so the next thing over, so this is the second desk that I have, and this is the door to the studio, which is where we do a lot of the printing and a lot of the things for the shop. We have like 3 or 4 Cricut machines and computers and a bunch of other stuff set up in there. So if y'all would like to see a tour of that, make sure that you like this video and let me know in the comments. This is my desk, which I have did a full tour on my desk on like what was on here, and I will link it if you wanted to watch that video after this video. But real quick, this is a mug that I made with the OA for Organized Alaina, and then I already showed you guys this stuff. This is my planner and my bullet journal and my phone, which I'm trying to mute because it is going off like crazy. And I don't think I had this in my desk tour, but this is from Office Depot, and I got this because I always have my budget journal or my budget planner on my desk, but when I pull out my classic planner, I didn't want to move it off my desk, but I wanted to have like another spot for it. So this is from Office Depot, and I have some stickers in here, just some dot stickers, my planner, my black and red pens, because that's what I always write in, and my phone case. I am going to do a pen tour really soon, guys, so make sure that you stay tuned for that, where I'm going to go through all of these pens. But all of the other stuff that is here, I think was covered in my desk tour video, so make sure that you go ahead and watch that. Here is my first bookcase, which has a majority of my books and my planners on it. At the very top is in XOXO, which comes from Hobby Lobby. And then underneath it is a phone, which I got from Amazon, and then a bunch of books. I have stopped, or trying to stop, buying as many books. As I told you, as I'm going into minimalism, I am trying to get more into ebooks and audiobooks. So hopefully this shelf won't get too much more cluttered, but we'll see, because there are certain books that if I absolutely love them, I definitely want them in my collection, so I might just buy them. So we'll see. And then the next shelf is, I have some cards here, which I use these cards to like write different notes to clients or to other people who I may feel like need a card, and they say different things, and I absolutely love the colors of them. Here is the giveaway that I posted last week. I just need to ship this off because Miss Beverly Lee won this, the mini planner, the mild liners, and I am gonna send her these pens because I just had them and I thought they would be nice. So I'm going to send that off today, so that won't be there anymore. And then I also have this mail slot, which I keep here on my shelf because my workers usually put their timesheets on my desk, or they'll put them here. This is my mini planner, my Kate Spade cover, but they'll put their timesheet there, and then I know how much I owe them for that week. In the next shelf is all of my planners, which I don't really use them all, but I like to keep them because sometimes I want to just switch them out. I may get tired of a particular style. So these are all of them, and then I think my recipe planner is in here also. This is my work planner. These are the two that I pull for the most, which are my Happy Notes notebook, which I did do a video on that. I will link it above, and then underneath here is my Faith planner. These sequin boxes were gifts for my birthday, so I don't really know where they're from, but inside I do keep some extra stickers and extra stuff for the shop in both of them. The next thing over here is my planner card, and I usually will roll this around. It's over to my desk when I'm planning, but this is a stencil, some colored pencils. These are the Alex Melnick stencils, which I have linked to them before, and I will link them in the description box if you're interested in them. But they are amazing, and I use them for bullet journaling and in my Happy Notes a lot. And then behind here are just Happy Notes sticker books. So that's all of my sticker books. And then I have some extra stickers here. This is my sticker notebook, and then also another one here. It's like a ring binder one. On the second shelf is a lot of my planner covers, in which I will just keep all of them here in case I want to switch something out. And this is another pen case, which I had talked about this in my planner favorites video, so I will link that also, and you can get this from Amazon too. On the third shelf here are just some extra notebooks when I try out different things like bullet journaling, or if I wanted to see how a layout may work for me in my Happy Notes. I might do it in here first, just to test it out before I actually write it in my actual Happy Notes. Just something I like to do. So that is my planner card. The next thing over here is my film setup, which has my actual desk. This is one of the lights that I got from Amazon. I have two of them there. I also have my ring light above and another tripod. And you've seen this desk plenty of times before, as that is the desk that I film on. So this is how my setup is kind of working. So it's across from my actual desk. So I just I might start like kind of figuring out what my layout is going to be here, and then I film here. So it works for me. So the next thing that I have over here is my Organized Alaina sticker. This is on my wall in between the bookshelves, and I got this sticker from Sticker Mule, and it is just a logo sticker that I wanted placed on my wall. And the next thing is my bookcase. At the very top is a gray pillow, and it was from Walmart. On the next shelf is a basket, the same wire basket that I showed you earlier. This is also from Walmart. And inside is my label maker. And I got it from Office Depot. It is a Brother P Touch, and I use it all the time because I love labeling everything. Underneath there is some paper. It's for my tool notebook. On the side here is some large paper clips that I got as a gift. So I don't know where they're from, but they have gold and hot pink paper clips in there. And you know, anybody who knows me knows that gold, black, white, and hot pink are like my favorite color combinations. So that was a gift. And I also have a, it's a birthday card that I made that I was just kind of trying out the template for, and it's an explosion box, and I really loved how the colors kind of came together, so I just keep it on my shelf there. On the next shelf underneath, I have this, I don't know where I got this from. I want to say maybe from Office Depot, but it might have been Target, I'm not sure. But inside I just keep my camera cords and a whole bunch of other like stickers and stuff that like usually it's when I'm planning and I just finished planning and I don't feel like putting stuff away, I'll throw it in here just so it's not like out on my desk. On this side, I have a sign that says work hard and be nice. That's from Hobby Lobby. Juicy Couture perfume. And then I have a Fleur-de-Lis coaster that I usually keep here unless I have someone in my office with me that may, you know, I may offer a drink, then I'll pull this coaster out if needed. I have this additional shelf here, and this is actually a stand for your computer. But once I got it, I realized it was a little too much for my desk. It was too big and it was taking up too much space. So I decided to add it here and make it like an additional bookshelf. So it's like I have an additional shelf here. So it kind of works out that way. And I also have another mail slot here. This is where I'll put papers if I don't know where I want to, I'll put them there in case I have, you know, don't have time to file them yet. Underneath here is my washi tape holder, which as you can see, I don't have a lot of washi. I'm a planner girl that is not really into washi like that. I do have some because every now and then I will pull it out, but it's not like my top planner thing. I love stickers way more than washi tape. So I just have this first shelf like filled, but the other two are empty. In here I have some additional stickers because I have stickers everywhere, and these are some ones that I have made and some Erin Condren stickers in there. And I just kind of keep them in this box. Usually I will take this box with me if I'm going to like a planner meetup or, you know, getting together with someone, another planner friend. I'll kind of grab this box and go. And then underneath here, this shelf is pretty much empty except for my Happy Planner hole punch. And down here I have my, I have a basket, a wicker basket that is holding all of my planner cases. So this one is an Orichalli one that I got from Target. This one is a Happy Planner case. This is a little pouch from Erin Condren. And that's another Happy Planner pen case. So I have all of those there, and then when I travel, I will pull one to put my planners in there to carry it along with me. On this side here, I do have a poster board. This is from when I first wrote my book, and I just needed something to put on display with an easel, and I just keep it stored there in case I have any speaking engagements. I just know where it is and I can pull it out and use it. So that is pretty much the entire room, guys. I think I have answered everything that I could possibly think of. However, if I missed anything, make sure that you leave it in the comments below and I will be sure to answer you guys. Until next time, bye guys.